Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to read Instagram messages without seeing. The first step is go to the application of Instagram, and after that you need to go to the option of your messages, and you need to search the person who wants to do this process. For example, this person. If this person sends you a message, the only thing you need to do is go to their profile. You need to search them here in the option of search profile of Instagram. You pick here. You need to say you need to search that person here, and you need to pick here in these 3 points, and you pick in the option of restrict. So if you restrict this person, the chat is disappear of the option of the part of the messages, and if you want to see that person, you need to search their profile in the option of search. In the part of the messages, you need to search their profile in this option. When you restrict that person. So when you restrict that person can send you a messages, but the notification of that person send you a message is not available in your Instagram. So you can see that conversation, but you can send a message to this person. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.